Welcome back to coachingjeff.com. Today we are going to look at equations of uniformly accelerated motion. It is a continuation of our senior 3 video series. It's about linear and nonlinear motion. Now, if a body, let's assume a car, moves from point A to point B, so if it starts at this point with a velocity u as its initial velocity and then covers a distance of s in a time t seconds up to obtaining a velocity v, which is the final velocity, then we say that the final velocity is related to the initial velocity, acceleration, and t. We say that the initial velocity, the final velocity, the displacement, and the time are related using all the 3 equations. The first equation says that the final velocity is equal to the initial velocity plus acceleration times time. The second equation says that the displacement is equal to the initial velocity times time plus a half times the acceleration times the square of the time. The third equation says the square of the final velocity is equal to the square of the initial velocity plus 2 times the acceleration times the time. We are not going to go so much into the derivation of these equations. In senior 3 it is not much required, but as you progress higher in senior 5 mechanics, you will learn how we derive these equations. But for now, we are going to focus so much on using these equations, and we are going to do some examples.